Hello again, everybody. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Atlas 3.0. First off, it's a very nice packaging. As you can see, I got the toxin one. Yeah, just very simple, sleek box. So let's get it open and see how it looks. Opens like that. You got this real nice little pamphlet about the helmet and stickers. Stickers, cool. We always like stickers. So I'm actually going to put that back right in here. Boom. So we got, this is, looks like the, as you can see the edges there, the colored visor that I ordered with it, just because I thought it would match better. And then we also have another visor. This one is, this one's just a normal tinted visor. And then we have the helmet. Oh, and a pin lock. Nice little pin lock thing. Those are always good. And you get this cool little helmet keychain. So, first off, picking it up is very light. It's actually like, I don't know, I'd say 3-ish, maybe high 2 pounds. So it comes with the clear visor on it. You get this awesome magnetic strap here. Looks very, very nice. I don't think these side vents are functional, which is kind of disappointing. Would be nice to see those made functional in future ones. What are these front ones? Okay, and these front ones you actually have to reach inside to open and close the vent, which could be kind of weird with gloves on, with the chin skirt there. Ooh, thought the camera almost fell. So, first thing, these pads feel very comfortable in the terms of their touch, but they're super soft. Like they just squish so easily. I don't know how that would be wearing it. Let's try it on. I got a medium. My Shoei is also a medium, so I figured that would be the right size. So, noticing it's very tight to put on, but on the inside is very roomy. Actually, it might be too roomy. I might have needed a small. I'm not sure. That's just taking it. So, strap is very easy to connect. That's awesome. I love their strap. No matter what, I love their strap. But yeah, so this vent here might be kind of hard to manage when you have gloves and everything on. So as you can see, I have it on. It's got more wiggle room than I would like, to be honest. Like, I'm not moving my head. And I probably got a good, like, I don't know, a few degrees in each direction. Strap is very easy to take off. Now, I'm curious to see kind of what behind the pads look like. Overall, obviously they make very good looking helmets, and they're ECE certified, so you know they're safe. But in terms of feeling, it just doesn't feel as safe as like my Shoei, which is also ECE certified, but also Snell certified, which isn't much of a difference really when you compare ECE to Snell. So first things first, pretty sure I ripped the foam in the chin just trying to take these pads off because it's tucked so far behind this plastic. So it kind of tore right there. That was kind of weird, like I didn't even feel it resist, it just kind of tore. There's no buttons for any of the padding. It's all just held in with these little plastic clicks, which don't even really click, they kind of just push on. The chin skirt is very finicky. Probably should not take that off ever if you don't want to mess with it. Yeah, man. So overall I think I like it. I just don't feel like, obviously it's good enough to protect you, it's ECE certified, but it doesn't feel as safe. Like in my head I know it'll protect me, but also like subconsciously I feel like it's not really gonna do much, but it should be fine. I'm probably not gonna do a ride video with this yet, just because I might want to try a small, but I'm like, it's still tight to get in, so I'm scared a small will be too small and I won't be able to put my head in it. I might just roll with this one, and I got to get a whole new GoPro setup for this, and wait for that to come in the mail, obviously. So once everything's set up, then I'll do a ride review and we'll see how this bad boy is. But I mean, it looks good, and it's by far the most roomy. Like, it actually might be the best for YouTube because it has a bunch of room in the front, in this front area here where the mouth is. Like my Shoei doesn't have as much room, and my mouth is basically on the mic. Like, I'm licking the mic whenever I talk. This one will probably be slightly better. Yeah, and I got the Shockwave system here, so we could try that out. It said battery is nearly full. What's that mean? Not like a percentage? That's kind of weird. So we'll play something here. So right away I notice it's very loud. Oh, that's a skip button, not a... So my phone's at about, you can't turn it up with the device. You have to use your phone. And I'm noticing I have a Cardo Pack Talk hooked up to my Shoei, and it's loud enough. Like, it's perfectly good. Got the JBL speakers in it, but my phone can be turned all the way up, and the pack talk turned all the way up, and it's not annoyingly loud. This apparently has one volume setting you can't change, and you have to do your phone. With it about halfway, I already feel like it might be too loud, because if I turn it all the way, it's basically like a crappy speaker. Like, it's loud enough to be a crappy speaker. That just doesn't go very high. You guys can probably hear it right now, but hopefully you heard that, because if the camera picked it up, that just shows how loud it is. Yeah, everything is just held in with these plastic slip-on clips, which doesn't make sense. I'd rather it be buttons, just for like, I feel like it'd hold on better and be less likely to fall off. That's about it though. I would just like to see like thicker pads, not as squishy. That'd probably improve this like 10 times over. That's like the only bad thing I'm seeing with this. Because they're so squishy, you get so much movement when your head's in there. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the video, like the video. Thank you. If you're new, consider subscribing. And with that, have a good day. Thanks.